eyes when I gave the word. Now in the morning I sleep alone. Sweep the streets I used to own. I used to roll.
Oh, what is this? Is this Jell-O? Is this a prank? What is this?
What is that?
What is it? What is that? This is wet. You're ruining my desk. What is in here?
Can you
Is
not
this
tell?
for me? What is going on? You guys put her picture. If y'all ruin this, you're
Might not do
serious.
that.
Are y'all ruining this picture?
Yes.
You know how much,
It's not ruined.
guys? You can't ruin this. Like, do you know how much this costs? This is not funny at all. Yeah, like this is a very expensive picture. I don't know if we can get another one of these. That is not funny, guys. This picture might be ruined.
It doesn't look like it.
Joe put something around it to...
What is that?
No, seriously, if Megan saw this, she would cry.
Was she
I'm not
really?
kidding. Yeah.
What happened?
Like, they ruined this picture. That's not funny, dude.
Oh,
I love a good prank, but you guys, this is
Oh, Mark,
not...
what's that? Mark. Mark.
Alright, that was a good prank. How does y'all
How
do
was
that?
it?